How to fix Telegram login problem. Hello guys and welcome back into this new short tutorial. So I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram not login. First thing, go into the settings and go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, in this page you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. So all what you wanna do is just wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Telegram and then click on it like that. After you click on Telegram, now all what you want to do is very easy. Just force stop the app from here, and after that go to the storage, click on clear cache and go back again into the settings, go to the wireless, add networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it, and that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.